In this guide, we're going over how you can get Genius here in AuraCraft. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and combine water and fire, and this will get you yin yang. And then go ahead and get yourself some time and add it on top of that to make RNG. Use earth and, of course, some water to create a plant, and then find plant and time and combine those to make life. From here, combine life and RNG to make luck, and you're going to need to grab an earth next and grab some wind as well to make dust. Combine dust and, of course, some water as well. And this will make energy, and then combine energy and life in order to make power. Once you have power, go ahead and drag power up to the very side, and then you need plant down at the very bottom with another plant to make a tree. Combine those two trees to make air, and then combine that with wind to make a sky. Scroll through here till you see sky again, combine it to make space, and combine these spaces to make a galaxy. Once you have a galaxy, you'll start to see that aura farming. From here, go ahead and find Earth, combine it with galaxy to make a vortex, and then find space again, combine it with vortex to make a black hole. After that, find time again and go ahead and combine that to make a void. Then we're going to start another one and we're going to put life off to the side, just like so. So these are like the main ones that we have right now. It's luck, power, void, and life. Go ahead and scroll through here till you find cycle and go ahead and combine that with life in order to make death. Combine death and void to make darkness, darkness and power to make boss. And then, of course, take your boss and we're going to combine it with some power again in order to make supreme. Take supreme, put it with luck, and boom, we just have genius. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.